Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule your post on Facebook page. Let me show you how. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook account. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here to select the page. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to select the page that you want to schedule post for. Having selected the page, next thing you need to do is to click on here to go to the page. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Then come to what is on your mind. The next thing you need to do is to click on the next thing you need to do is to enter your text right here. So I'm going to click and hold down, paste my text here. Having pasted my text right here, then I have to support this particular post with pictures. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to select picture from my phone gallery. So I'm going to select this picture. And I'm going to select multiple picture in this regard. What we want to do is to simply scroll down right here, click on this add more right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to select this, and this one. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on next right here. So here we have the pictures right here. You can switch to different formats right here. You can text on this format or this one if it's available, or this one right here. So everything depends on how you want your image to look like. I prefer the first format right here, or no format, which is this one right here. Now, next thing you want to do is to simply click on next right here. Then you are here. Next thing I'm going to do here is to add a WhatsApp button. I'm clicking on here. That's going to take us right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on scheduling options. Under the scheduling option, I'm going to click on schedule for later. Then here you have to choose options right here. So it's going to take us right here. Now you have different formats right here. You have AM and you have PM. And you have AM in the noon right here. Now what you want to do here is to select the actual time zone. Here I'm going to do this particular post for PM. I will select PM right here. Having select PM, I need to simply click on here and change the date and time. I'm going to click on here now. Then I'm posting this particular post in this particular date. Then I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to set it to be 6. Then I'm going to click on OK. Schedule post needs to be shared within 30 minutes and 2 more. Just like what you see right here. So I'm going to change this into another day. So this particular day right here, I'm going to publish it in this particular day. So once you choose the date, click on OK. Then hit on OK. So just like what you see right here, next thing we want to do is to click on OK. Then we have to simply go back. Now we have our post to be scheduled for this particular date at this particular time. Next thing you need to do is to click on post right here. Your photo will be uploaded. Check progress in the notification bar. It's that simple. By the time you go back to your page, you will not see the new schedule post. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to schedule a post on your Facebook page. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook topic, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.